T5, the Traveler here. We are at the water park at Indiana Beach, and we are going to go try to get up this water slide over here. I'm not sure what it is. Let's go check it out. What's the name of this slide? Slosh. Slosh? Flush. Oh. Flush? Yeah. Oh. I'm so sorry. I got that sandy too. Okay. All right. I think I'm kind of in. Just gotta try to push that scoot back in. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'll turn it around. Oh! Oh, I got wet. Right in the crotch. Oh my god. Here we go. It's not bad. I got totally soaked, by the way. Oh, mercy. Oh, yeah. I got drowned. How wet did you get? My whole right side is soaked. My left is relatively dry, so. All right, that one's called the Flush. That's slide number 1 here at Indiana Beach. So we will check back with you on the next slide. How deep is this water?
I think this is a few feet deep. Like 3 or 4.
Like if she stands up, will she drown?
No.
Okay, you can go. We are going up the slide tower at Indiana Beach. We're going to check it out. White or clear tubes only, not the blue tubes. So do not try to take a blue tube. I tried to take a blue tube. That was a no-go, so don't do that. Several stairs here. So be in shape for stairs. On a lot of these rides, even the roller coasters here have a lot of stairs, so I didn't have to go to the gym today. We're just gonna get some cardio in, and you can see the park there. It's pretty good, and we'll check back with you as soon as we get on the slide. What's the name of this slide?
We don't have a name
Just
for
the
it.
yellow slide.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
The Galaxy slide.
The Galaxy slide.
Yeah, because it like when you're going in, it has like the stars in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
It's probably the funnest one we have.
Okay, I'll check it out. Thank you. So this is the Galaxy slide at Indiana Beach, and away we go. Looking around. Oh boy. Woo! One-handed. Oh man, I'm trying not to spin. We are flying. Yeah, you can see all through the sky. Pretty cool. Doing a rough bank right there. I'm trying to keep my feet up. Oh, I'm cruising. I got wet right there. We're sliding around down the tube. I'm trying not to spin out. Oh, moving so deep. We're gonna try to land it. Not terrible. Not terrible. Got soaked. Pretty fun though. Galaxy slide, Indiana Beach. Sunglasses, got a bath. But we made it. So this girl is coming down next. Her name's Becky. She can't really swim, so maybe keep an eye. I told her she can just stand up. It should be fine. Should be on the yellow slide. Just in case. Oh, I have a YouTube channel. It's called T5 the Traveler. It just started about a month ago, so if you want to check it out. And we'll see what it looks like when Becky gets down here. I let the guard know her swimming skills are not great, but we'll see if she got brave and went down. They've got a good staff here though. I got soaked on that ride. That's a fun ride though. Any minute. Any minute. Standing by, Becky. There she comes. She's fine. All good. Good job. I let him know just in case, because you were nervous. He was on standby, so.
Definitely nervous.
Yeah. All right. That's a fun one. All good.
I got YouTube.
There, they want tubes, Becky. All right, it's getting crowded, so I'll check back with you on the next slide. We are gonna try this monster blue one here. This is a giant blue one. We'll turn it around just so you can see. And I haven't been on a slide like this in a while. We'll see how it goes. The last time I tried it, it's a little bit rough landing. So how fast is this thing?
I don't know.
What's it called?
I don't know.
Just the blue slide?
Yeah.
Okay, any recommendations? Like cross my arms and
Yeah,
legs?
cross your arms and your legs.
Like that, kind of?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're gonna give it a shot. This is the blue slide. Oh boy. Wow. Pretty sweet though. Wow, okay. That was a lot of water in a short amount of time. We'll see Becky the Trekkie coming down here. Just creep up probably where we're not supposed to go. Here she goes. She's way up there. She's scooching forward. Here she goes on the downslide, kind of bouncing off the walls a touch. Safe landing though. All right, so that was the blue slide. I think the only one left I've got that red one up there, and probably grab the bags and may jump on it on the way out, and then we're gonna go hit the log flume, and then we'll catch back with you here in just a little bit.